Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the latest GPU drivers for Nvidia causing crashes. And let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can simply just roll back your previous drivers, and you can do that by using going over to the device manager. From the device manager, go over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit properties, and then from properties go over to driver, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select rollback driver. Now this could fix the issue, because obviously if your previous drivers were not causing any issues but your new one are, you can go ahead and just do this, and that will, go back to the previously installed driver. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and X out. Obviously I recommend restarting your PC right after. You could try seeing that if it helps fix the issue. However, sometimes it's possible for you if you go over to driver and then rollback driver is grayed out. If it is grayed out, what you can do is you can just go over to your favorite browser of your choice or whatever. Just go over to Nvidia drivers, and then just go over to the official driver page, and then you can just go ahead and go over to download or GeForce driver, whatever drivers you have, and then you can just go ahead and manually put all your information in. Once it is, just download the second to latest driver, or whatever driver that wasn't causing issues for you. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.